The film Dhanchakkar, directed by Rajkumar Gupta, couldn't come to the standard of his two previous brilliant films, Amir and No One Killed Jessica. T.S. Eliot says, to be impersonal during art formation provides an utmost is supreme art. Writer-director may have gone through this phase to his maximum limit of thought and imagination to create the story, a screenplay and dialogue and their altogether visual adaptation by the director. After Meh's film Dhanchakkar has surfaced on celluloid. However, this should be caliber of director to encompass the maximum imagination and thoughts of mass. T.S. Eliot says that each artist has very much right to proud of his or her creation, but audiences, readers, and spectators give the final verdict about its success and failure. Alas, director Rajkumar Gupta didn't succeed in it. The reality film Dhanchakkar did not weave its plot meticulously from fade in to fade out. Plot is based upon the loot of bank money of rupees 35 crores. Imran Hashmi aka Sanjay Sharma is expert to open the difficult lock of bankers' money locker. And two more bizarre and focused engaged persons, Pandit and Idris, helped Sanjay Sharma to plunder bank, and they went into bank in guise of Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmender and late Utpal Dutt masks, and they successfully and safely robbed the bank money. Money is left with Sanjay Sharma because he has a house with married wife Neetu aka Vidya Balan, who always remains in various costumes of model and celebrities' latest fashion throughout the film. After the loot, Sanjay Sharma loses his memory and it comes and goes. As for verbal agreement among Pandit, Idris and Sanjay Sharma, Idris and Pandit appear at Sanjay's house and he refuses them to recognize Pandit and Idris. Both are strongly sensed that this man Sanjay grieved their money. But they got convinced when they both go to the doctor and he confirms, both Pandit and Idris, that Sanjay has lost his memory. That comes and goes. Sanjay Sharma takes 1 week from Pandit and Idris from finding whereabouts of the money suitcase. But Idris and Pandit both start living with Sanjay and his wife at Sanjay's place. A vicious sort of finding starts from this point of the film onto local train. Vidya Balan aka Neetu was travelling with Idris and Pandit. Sanjay suspects his wife too, and Sanjay convinces Idris and Pandit that his wife wants to settle in London with her lover, and her lover had already flight there with all money. The mastermind Gun enters into the train and he loses his hopes of getting the money, and he killed his men Pandit and Idris. He shot Neetu too and Sanjay, but Gun doesn't kill Sanjay and he gets down from the train. But the same moment, Sanjay gets phone from mother as she keeps phoning him daily night. Her mother says that she will sell his suitcase to a scrapper. Sanjay doesn't recall even his mother and he throws his mobile. Neetu has come to sense with knowing that the money suitcase is with Sanjay's mother. She smiles with calling Sanjay in pain. The Gun hears and he again jumps into moving train and falls on cover of banana and pierces into his throat and he dies. We see her old mother is looking at suitcase in a surprising way. Film fades out here. This is sluggish plot of Dhanchakkar that tempts us to see the movie, but the execution of plot into progression of events from fading to fade out doesn't put very premise of plot into a screenplay in its logical culmination. Film is creepy with a small house, a dining table, and awful dresses of Neetu, who buys them by seeing the various fashion magazines that do not create any humor. This film is grey humor film, but grey part is badly woven and humor doesn't come out in its a series of progressive scenes with time. Film doesn't progress. It remains standing at one place with same issues. Possibly this would be mind-altering subject of the film that confuses badly about the content director had chosen. Imran Hashmi, Vidya Balan, Rajesh Sharma, Namit Das are jumping here and there in the film. Amit Trivedi's music is less in number in the film, but whatever it is interesting. UTV Roni Screwbala and Aditya Roy Chopra of UTV Motion Pictures have produced the film Dhanchakkar. Producers must pause and ponder about this film, and they must invite writers and directors who are knocking at the door of Bollywood. My point of view is Dhanchakar is not a mind-blowing but mind-boggling film.